Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Joomla from your VPS with backups, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before starting the uninstallation process, ensure you have a full backup of your Joomla site. Log into your VPS using SSH with your preferred terminal application. Navigate to the root directory of your Joomla installation. You can typically find this in a folder like /var/www/html or a similar path depending on your server setup. Once in the directory, initiate the backup process of your Joomla database. Use the command /username p database backup_database.sql. Input your database password when prompted to ensure the backup is created. Next, create a backup of your Joomla files. Use the command tar-czvf backup_joomla_files.tar.gz* to compress all files into a single tarball. Confirm that both backup files are present in the directory. Now, proceed to uninstall Joomla from your VPS. First, stop any services that might be using Joomla, particularly the web server. You can stop Apache with the command sudo system-stop apache2 or nginx with sudo system-stop nginx. Next, remove the Joomla files from the directory. Use the command rmrf* to delete all content within the Joomla directory. After the files are removed, you need to drop the Joomla database. Access your MySQL shell using mysql_username p. Once inside MySQL, execute the command drop database _database_name. Confirm that the database is deleted by listing existing databases with show databases. Exit the MySQL shell by typing exit. Finally, restart your web server to complete the process. Use the command sudo system-start apache2 for Apache or sudo system-start nginx for nginx. You have now successfully uninstalled Joomla from your VPS with backups. Make sure to store your backup files securely for future use. Review your backups to ensure everything is intact before proceeding with any new installations or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.